Chamomile, nature's remedy for sleep and relaxation. Hello everyone! Today, I want to share with you the incredible benefits of chamomile, one of nature's most gentle yet powerful remedies. Chamomile has been cherished for centuries for its calming properties and its ability to support sleep, relaxation, and overall wellness. Whether you are struggling with occasional sleeplessness, stress, or simply want to enhance your nightly routine, chamomile can be a natural and effective solution. Chamomile is rich in antioxidants and bioactive compounds, including flavonoids such as apigenin, which interact with specific receptors in the brain to promote relaxation and reduce anxiety. This natural action helps the mind and body unwind, making it easier to fall asleep and enjoy restorative rest. One of the key benefits of chamomile is its ability to improve sleep quality. Unlike synthetic sleep aids, chamomile works gently with the body, encouraging natural sleep cycles without causing grogginess or dependency. Regular consumption of chamomile tea in the evening can help regulate sleep patterns and support deeper, more restful sleep. Chamomile also promotes stress reduction and mental relaxation. In our modern, fast-paced lives, stress is a common issue that can interfere with sleep and overall health. Chamomile's soothing properties help calm the nervous system, reduce tension, and promote a sense of calm, making it easier to manage daily stressors and relax before bedtime. In addition to its calming effects, chamomile supports digestive health, which can also influence sleep quality. Chamomile has mild anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties that can ease digestive discomfort, bloating, or mild stomach upset. A comfortable, relaxed body naturally contributes to better sleep. Chamomile is also beneficial for overall wellness. Its antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, support immune function, and contribute to a balanced, healthy body. By incorporating chamomile into your routine, you are supporting both mental and physical health simultaneously. For practical use, chamomile can be incorporated in several ways. Chamomile tea. A warm cup before bedtime is the most common and effective method. Chamomile essential oil, diffused in the bedroom or added to a warm bath, can enhance relaxation. Chamomile supplements, capsules, or extracts provide a concentrated dose for those who prefer convenience. Chamomile-infused products, such as sleep sprays, lotions, or pillow sachets to support a calming bedtime environment. It is important to note that chamomile is generally safe for most people, but individuals with allergies to plants in the daisy family should exercise caution. Additionally, if you are taking medications or have specific health conditions, it is advisable to consult with a healthcare provider before using chamomile regularly. In conclusion, chamomile is a natural, gentle, and effective remedy for sleep and relaxation. Its bioactive compounds support the nervous system, reduce stress, promote digestive comfort, and encourage restorative sleep. Incorporating chamomile into your nightly routine can help you achieve better sleep quality, enhanced relaxation, and improved overall well-being. Nature has provided us with a simple yet powerful solution in chamomile. By embracing its calming and restorative properties, you can support your body and mind in a natural, holistic way. From a warm cup of tea to essential oils and supplements, chamomile is a versatile ally for anyone seeking relaxation, stress relief, and a more restful night's sleep. Thank you for listening, and I encourage you to explore the many benefits of chamomile. Let this gentle herb support your relaxation, sleep, and overall wellness every day.